Lynda. I'm currently living in northern Michigan. In my other life, I was a high school English teacher. I was diagnosed with diabetes actually the year I retired in 1997. I had blockages, heart disease, so I ended up with the heart cath, stents. And so adding that, my focus became strictly on my heart disease, and I let go of the diabetes. It's the spiral up, down. And how I managed both, I was doing high protein, low carb, triggered the chronic kidney disease. So I did see the nephrologist. She said that was the worst thing I could do, but it worked so well for my diabetes. So with the kidney disease, total panic, totally changed what I was eating and went back to low or no protein, which worked really well for the kidneys, but then not so much for the diabetes. So it's been a journey. And now,
how do you deal with having all those different experts on your team? Are they talking to each other?
I always make sure when I go in and I say, are you sending this to Dr. Madigan, my family care? They always say yes, but according to her, some are better than others about getting her the information. I know she and my cardiologist, they have talked because they have had disagreements over a certain medication. So they communicate. I think it's so important that they do. It's important for me to know they're talking. It's important for me to know they agree or disagree and why. I'd like to know, why do you think this isn't good and why do you think it's good? Because that happens. I'd like the idea that I can get a printed copy of our visit so that I can use it as a basis to discuss my visit with my doctor who's managing everything. If I have a really good family doctor and she's able to manage most of what I face, and then have a visit with the cardiologist, a visit with the ophthalmologist, with the nephrologist, with the surgeons, whoever I'm having to see, that works best for me because of all that. I tell my doctor I'm most happy when she allows me to be an active participant in what I'm doing. She's very good at letting me be a full partner. And I love information. I mean, she's straightforward. I can ask her anything. She's not insulted. If she doesn't know, she will say, I think it's time we talk to so-and-so. And I totally appreciate that.